Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for Ozone. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the comma style in Excel. Let's look at our example here. In column D, we have a list of sales figures. It is more than 1,000 and it's difficult to visualize if we didn't apply the comma style. So what is comma style? Comma style is the comma that separate numbers that more than 1,000. So in this example, we were going to highlight the sales figures and we go to home tab, go to numbers, and then a comma here called comma style. We click on it and it will separate the numbers that is more than 1,000 with a comma. So in that way, it will be easier to visualize that this number is more than 1,000, 10,000, or even 1 million, 1 billion. So to unapply it, you can just change it to numbers. And to apply again, you just click the comma style again. Hope it helps. Thank you. That is all from me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.